Hello, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing a quick instant snack recipe using leftover rice. We are making rice pakoras. This is super simple to make and the ingredients are all what we have at home all the time. So do check the description box for the ingredients list. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell and also like, share and comment. So let's move into the video. So I've got some leftover rice in a bowl along with some onions, coriander and green chillies. I've chopped the onions, coriander and green chilli finely. Now what we'll do is we'll mash the rice nicely with our hands along with the onions, green chillies and coriander. Once this is done, we'll add in cumin seeds, asafoetida and salt to taste. Mix that in as well. Now let's add in gram flour. If you find that the rice is a little dry, you can sprinkle some water into this and then mix it up. Sometimes when you put the rice in pressure cooker, it tends to be dry, so you might have to add a little water. So mix it well. And make sure that it holds shape when you make a ball out of it. So now I'm ready with the oil heating up on medium flame. Let's drop the pakora batter into it. So as soon as you drop it, you will see bubbles forming like that. You should wait for the bubbles to subside and the pakoras to turn golden brown before removing it from the oil. So now the pakoras are done. Let's remove it into a plate and they are ready to be served. So do try this recipe the next time you have some leftover rice and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.